Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. My mornings are not the same without this Silk shelf-stable almond milk. It truly is an essential item in our household. We use this constantly in our cereal, our coffee, or other things like when we make French toast. This is unsweetened vanilla, so it's not sweet, but it has a subtle vanilla flavor. I love that before we open it, it doesn't need to be stored in the refrigerator, so it makes it very easy and convenient to keep on hand, especially because this comes in a pack of 6. It's so creamy. I also like that it's only 30 calories per serving. We love this Silk shelf-stable almond milk for so many reasons, but especially for its taste and the convenience of being able to store it on the shelf before we open it. And that's my point of view.